Allahu Akbar, Ilyas.
Yeah.
You should say salam.
Fine. Assalamualaikum. But I still scared you.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Adam, what are you doing?
Facebook.
Adam.
Yes.
Adam.
Yes.
My friend in school said, why can't we eat pork?
Well, because it's dirty.
But what if it is dirty? I mean, now I know that farms are not really that dirty because they clean. Farmers clean them. So that means they're organic.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe it's... I don't know.
Why don't Google it up? Share Google.
You know what? I think I know exactly where to go. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Yeah.
سآتي إليك أزف التهاني وأمنح رأسك تجمل بقلب يفيض هدى ورضاء سأهديك من مطلتي الحروب سآتي إليك أزف التهاني وأمنح رأسك تجمل بقلب يفيض
Then we're supposed to say MashaAllah.
Yeah, you're right. MashaAllah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ahlan, how are you, Adam?
Alhamdulillah.
And you, Ilyas? You okay?
Alhamdulillah.
Syukur, alhamdulillah. Anything that can help you?
We came to ask a question.
Okay.
My question was, why can't we eat pork? Because my friend from school asked that question.
Okay.
Adam answered it for me. He said otherwise we can't eat pork because it's dirty. What if it's not dirty? Because some farms aren't dirty.
Okay. Yes.
So why can't we eat pork?
Yeah. We as Muslims, we believe in what Allah said. Because Allah is the creator of all things. He knows everything. If Allah said this is not good for you, we will say it's not good for us. Because as a believer, we must believe what Allah said. He is the all-knowing, the creator, all-seeing. And then when He said, don't do, it's for our own benefit. Even we don't understand why now. But if Allah said, do it, that also is good for us. Anything come from Almighty, the Creator, Allah Rabbul Alameen, we must always have faith that He knows better. Whatever He wants us to do, we try our best to do it. To show our submission, our obedience to Almighty, the Creator, Allah Rabbul Alameen. In the Quran, if Allah said, do not eat the flesh of the pig, that means don't eat pork, then we don't eat pork. Of course, there are scientific argument, but that's not important for us. Yeah, because we know Allah knows everything. He knows what is best for us. So why we don't eat pork as a Muslim? Because Allah said so, and we believe that what Allah said is the best for us. You understand that?
Yeah.
Good. Alhamdulillah.